Hello everybody and welcome to the Pound Trader making an analysis for Monday 8th of July 2024. So I know it's been a minute. There was a lot of unrest in Kenya because of the finance bill, which was able to be dropped. But yeah, I'm okay and thank you for supporting me on this channel. So starting over on the monthly time frame, I can see that last month, which is June, we ended with this sort of pin bar-ish. It's not really a complete pin bar, but now this first week of July, there's been a lot of bullish pressure. However, I'm still on the sell side because I can see that this level has not been broken yet, and I honestly still think that we have the potential to still go down all the way up to this channel that we have here before maybe going up or however, but I just think that we are on the sell side. Okay, so moving over, and you can see also from my monthly, if I just zoom out, we have been making high highs and high lows. I had this range over here, and I think this was the pullback of the range, and I think that now we'll continue pushing down because also when I take my fib retracement, I can see that we are still at the 61.8% fib level. Okay, so going over to the weekly time frame. So with this weekly time frame, we can still see that we are still at the 61.8% fib. There were some wicks here, and I really thought that we might not start. We might start going down, but yeah, we can see that with the past week bullish pressure, but still we have not been able to break above. So I'm still on the sell side. I'm really hoping that next week we don't go above this trend line or even this level over here. If we could start making those bearish candles, I'd be really happy. So going over, oh, and something I also wanted to show you that I saw, yeah, we do have this 20 moving average here, and I think that's what maybe caused this bullish pressure, but hopefully that now we can start going down. Okay, so going over to the daily time frame, let me just minimize these moving averages. Okay, so the daily time frame, we can see it more clearly. I'm okay, you know, even I know that this pullback, sorry, it's going to the weekly. I know that this candle pushed back, but I think maybe it was trying to fill up this week. Maybe that's why we were pushing upwards. So I'm still not worried. I'm still on the sell side. Yeah, so daily we can see still pushing upwards, but we didn't manage to close above. So hopefully from next week, if I could get some bearish candles from here, that would be really, really good. Okay, so going over to the 4-hour time frame. Can also see this as well. So I'm really hoping that now starting from Monday, you can start getting those bearish candles from there so that I can start looking for, you know, those shorts to maybe all the way down there. I normally target 60 pips a day because I'm an intraday trader. My stop loss is normally around 30 pips. So I guess we'll just have to see what happens when the market opens on Monday. Yeah, but I'm really just hoping, because if it does start breaking above this, then I will be worried. But until then, this is the position that I will be looking for. Maybe just going over to the 1-hour time frame to just see if there's anything extraordinary. I normally put these horizontal lines just to cover what the week. So you can see this was Monday 1st of July and this is Monday 8th of July, just to see what was going on throughout the week, and this was the range. So you can see last week's low was here and last week's high was here. This was also Friday's low and Friday's high. I usually mark it in a different color just for me to see. So yeah, on Monday, I'd really like to now start hoping if I could get like a, what is it called? Like a double top here, I'd be okay. That would be cool if I could get something like that. Yeah, probably a double top or just bearish signals from here. That would be good. If at all, maybe markets starts dropping, maybe I'd look for a retracement maybe there, or even if it drops on Monday, I'm not able to get a position, maybe something like that would also be cool. But yeah, I'm really hoping to get those sells because I've really not had a good month. Yeah. Okay, so going over to maybe the dollar index just to see what's happening. I think I have something to show you also on the dollar. So maybe let me go to the monthly because it's a new month. So we can see the last month we had this bullish candles. It wasn't an engulfing. So the fact that it's made a lower high here is a bit concerning, but I'm hoping that with the dollar we'll still continue pushing upwards. And we can see that we had a lot of bearish pressure last week. Going over to the daily just to see. Yeah, wait, sorry, let me go back to the weekly. We can see that we have a moving average over here. This is the 20 EMA, And I'm really hoping that maybe we can start getting a reaction around here to start pushing up. But we can see that we have a 50 EMA here, which is also along the trend line. So if at all price doesn't react from here, I might expect price to react from here as well before pushing up, because I am looking for buys on the dollar. So either here or even on this trend line will be cool. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Just waiting to see what will happen over here. Hopefully it doesn't break below this level over here, because I'm really targeting those sales in the pound, you know. All right, so that's my analysis. I think it's not that complicated from how I see it. Just looking at the calendar here as well. Let me see what we have on Monday. So, okay, Monday we have no news. Tuesday, 5 p.m. East African time, we have some Fed Chair Powell testifies. So maybe there might be something going on there. Hopefully these news can bring some bullish pressure on the dollar. Anyway, that's my analysis. I think I'll just end it here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please subscribe if you found this insightful, and I hope it was of value to you. So bye-bye, and I'll see you on the next video, maybe on Tuesday or on Wednesday. Bye-bye.